wanted to weigh in on the Ye and Kanye Irving controversy. Kanye Irving is accused of being anti-Semitic because he posted a copy of the Hebrews to Nebrews book by Ron Dalton on his social media platform. To be Semitic means that you are a descendant of Shem. When you read the book of Genesis chapter 10, and you read the book of 1 Chronicles chapter 1, you will see a genealogy of the records of the people at the beginning of time until now. To be Semitic means that you are a descendant of Shem. The book Hebrews to Negroes is a history of the record of the descendants of Shem and their captivity and slavery. It is a record of the Jews. Now, I don't know much about what Ye had stated in full. I only heard a soundbite. But based upon what I heard, he was having a conversation with a Jewish man. Ye made the statement that he is not anti-Semitic because Black people are Jewish too. I agree and disagree. I disagree that Black people are Jewish. Black people are the Jews. They are Jews by the Spirit and by the blood, pursuant to the book of Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 6, and pursuant to the book of Romans chapter 9, verse 1. To be Jewish is to be a convert, to convert to a religion or to a faith. When you read the book of Deuteronomy chapter 28, and when you study the history and the record, the hidden history and the hidden record of the descendants of slaves here in America and scattered throughout the world in the diaspora, you will learn the world's greatest secret, that you are the true Jews that the Bible is speaking of. You are the people of the book. It is anti-Semitic to take a man and steal a man and sell him into slavery. It is anti-Semitic to steal a man's history, his record, and his heritage. Our Father said, "Fear not the one who can destroy the body, but fear the one who can destroy the soul." Stand up and be counted. Stand for something. Stand up and be counted. It's been too long. Let the world know who you are. You are the descendants of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. The one that the world calls Jesus Christ, he comes through their bloodline. And he said, "Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free." Shalom.